Okay, let's solve some more problems using the square roots. I have x minus 1 squared equals 25, and I need to get x alone, but I'm going to have to get rid of this square. Well, the opposite of square is square root, so I will take the square root of both sides. Just remember that when you do so, and this being a positive number, it's going to be a positive or negative answer. So the square cancels the square root out, and x minus 1 is freed from the radical. And then I've got a positive or a negative 5, because the square root of 25 is 5. So I will add 1 to both sides, and I've got two answers. One is going to be positive 5 plus 1, so that's 5 plus 1, which is 6. And the other is going to be negative 5 plus 1, which is negative 4. Now let me let you see what that looks like on Desmo. So you can graph it to check it. Let's see if I can get this where you can see it. All you have to do is move the 25 over to the left side and make it negative. So y equals x minus 1 squared minus 25. And then if you look here, there's the 6 and there's the negative 4 for the solutions. Okay, let's look at another one. On this problem right here, hold on just a second. What we want to do is get this x freed from the square root, but I'm going to have to divide by 4 first. Divide both sides by 4. The 4's cancel, and I have x minus 3 squared equals a fraction. And that's okay because they're both perfect, so that's not even going to make a hard fraction. I'll take the square root of both sides, and remember it will be a positive or a negative because 9/4 is a positive number. The square cancels the square root out, and I've got x minus 3 equals the positive or negative, the square root of 9 is 3, and the square root of 4 is 2, which is really the same thing as 1 1/2. 2 goes into 3 1 1/2 times. So I'll add 3 to both sides. And I have, let's change that 3 over 2 to 1.5 just to make it easier. I have 1.5 plus 3, which is 4.5. And then I also have a negative 1.5 plus 3, which is a positive 1.5. So there I have 4 1/2 and 1 1/2 as my two solutions.